So here's the solution to our problem. First thing we want to do is find the expected value of x. So how do we do that? Is we take the sum of every single possible value of x times its probability. So let's do that right here. So here I'm going to get 0 times its probability of 0.1 plus 1 times its probability of 0.3 plus 2 times 0.4 plus 3 times 0.2. So it just took every probability times its, or every possible value times its probability. And if we add those and multiply those and add them all together, we should get 1.7. Next, we want to find the variance, so that one I may need a little bit more space. So we're going to find the variance of x. And so the way we do that is we just take every single value of x that are possible minus this. So minus the expected value of 1.7, square it, and then times its probability. And so we just rewrite that again, just so you remember. So the variance is equal to the sum of each value of x minus the expected value squared times its probability. All right, so let's go ahead and do that really quick here. What we're going to end up with is, let's start off with the first term is 0. So I have 0 minus 1.7 squared times its probability of 0.1. Then the next one I have a possible value of 1, so that's 1 minus 1.7 squared times its probability of 0.3, plus 2 is the next one, so 2 minus that expected value of 1.7 squared times a probability of 0.4. And last 3, so we have 3 minus 1.7 squared times its probability of 0.2. And if we calculate that out, you should get 0.81. Right? And so lastly, I guess I didn't need the space. Lastly, what we need to do is find the standard deviation. And remember that standard deviation of our variable x is the square root of the variance of x. So all we have to do is take that 0.81 and square root it. So I want to just take the square root of 0.81, and that's equal to 0.9. So that's what we're going to put in here, 0.9.